journey it's been to get this Audi RS6 looking absolutely mega. If you're interested in having this particular solution added onto your vehicle and getting your paintwork looking absolutely amazing and completely protected with that crystal serum light as well, make sure you head over to our website, have a look at some of the different options we've got. With 5 different options now available on our website, but go through, check them out, see what's included, see what might be right for you. And if you're not sure about what's right for you in terms of choosing the protection package and kind of enhancement detail on your vehicle, make sure you come in, we'll inspect the paintwork, we'll go through kind of different options, what we'd recommend for you and your vehicle to suit not only your budget, but also what the car deserves and requires. So hopefully you've enjoyed today's video and you've seen the upgrade on this Audi RS6 and what a phenomenal car that it is. So thank you again for watching. I'll see you on the next one.